babe. Watch your speed. They're just past a cop.
Sounds good. Thanks for the heads up.
Hey, if you don't have one of these two-way radios when you're carpooling with your kids, hunting, fishing, ball games, I mean, you name it. This thing is so much easier than trying to text on a phone or do anything like that. You can get a 2-pack of these for less than 40 bucks. It's a name brand. I got them on the TikTok shop. Free shipping. They got 3 or 4 different colors. But this thing is the handiest thing you'll ever own. Grab one. Go check my link.